We've got good news.
We're starting a Makerspace.
This has been our dream for the past 10 years and we're finally going to do it.
We have been working so hard. We put together an initial business plan back in college and we have been refining and revising and rewriting that forever. We have done miles of spreadsheets, literal miles, thanks to this guy, and we are so close to being ready to get things on the ground and running and open.
We want a space that operates kind of like a gym membership, but instead of fitness equipment, we want to have tools.
And so you will be coming in and renting time and tool usage because some of those tools you just can't fit into your apartment or you don't want to purchase these big fancy tools.
There are lots of different types of makerspaces. There are educational-based makerspaces that operate mainly out of a library or schools. There's also what are called hackerspaces, which are more computer-based and robotics-based and some 3D printing, stuff like that.
But what we want our makerspace to be is a community place for hobbyists, small business owners, and artists to all come together and be able to work together, use each other's tools, and learn from each other and grow with each other, and do all sorts of fun things like woodworking,
Screen printing,
textiles, paper making,
ceramics,
stained glass,
printmaking,
3D printing,
laser cutting,
painting,
CNC cutting,
and so many, many more things. We want to have as many studios as is feasible. Anything that y'all are interested in, we are interested to, and we want to be a space that works with the community of artists that become members and create a space that works best for them.
On top of all that, we are also going to have a full gallery, community classes, and special events.
All of this to support and engage the artist community and the maker community here in San Antonio,
Texas.
So how can you get involved? We need your support to get this thing off the ground. Most importantly, follow our YouTube, follow our social media, make sure that you stay engaged, comment, all that good stuff that everybody is so sick of hearing from everybody, but it really, really helps, I promise. We also have a GoFundMe if you want to help out a bit financially. That's always welcome.
We've started collecting our studio equipment, mostly off Facebook Marketplace. We have so much stuff that we actually needed to get a storage unit. We bought this 1,100 pound printing press from the early 1900s at the top right here. We weren't planning on having one, but the deal that we got on it was just too good to be true. We also bought ourselves a CO2 laser on the left here that we are so excited about. We can't wait till we actually have a space to use it and make all sorts of nonsense. Makerspaces generally have a really high startup cost because of all of the equipment needed, so any financial gifts are absolutely appreciated.
We have some other ways you can help us out too. We have a survey below. Please take 3 minutes and fill that out. It's super, super quick. It just tells us what people are interested in and who's following along with our journey. Also, go check out our website. There's more stuff there, and we are definitely going to be adding more in the next couple weeks and months. And get on there, subscribe to our newsletter with the email address in there. Actually, it's blah, 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 blah.
We do all sorts of crazy stuff on this channel, like making our own beer taps, microwaving clay, laser cutting, stained glass, screen printing, you name it. So what are you waiting for? Go hit that subscribe button to follow us on our journey.
And as always, if you liked this video, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or you want to know more, comment below and we'll definitely be keeping up with those comments and answering y'all. And come back next time for our next video. Bye!